Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 50i, and today I will show you how you can put this device into Fastboot mode. So, to get started, you want to hold your power button. Ignore any kind of pop-ups as long as they are not this kind of pop-up. Let's try that again because for some reason the device kind of locked up. So let's do that again. So we're going to select power off from here. And once the device turns off, hold the power button and the volume up at the same time. So I'm going to do that right now. Now, after a moment, you should have INFINIX logo show up on the screen. Once you do, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. Now next, we'll have XOS, like this one, visible on the screen with no command under it. So once you see this, start holding the power button, and while holding it, press volume up once, and this will redirect us to the recovery mode. Now here, using volume buttons, navigate up or down, you want to scroll down and select Enter Fastboot. Confirm it using your power button, and there we go. This is our Fastboot mode. Now, on INFINIX, the bootloader is also a Fastboot mode, so you can select that as well if you want to. But in any case, this is also a Fastboot mode, so this will work. Anyway, I'm going to select from here Reboot System Now, confirm over the power button, and this will now bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.